afternoon, friends. Is my voice clear? Sorry for the delay. There was some technical error. We are trying to go to Facebook Live. Sorry for the delay. Namaste to everyone. Welcome to the session. Yes, is my voice clear, Nihalji? Thank you for joining. Thank you for supporting us. Yes, very clear. Is my voice clear to everyone? So welcome to another. Right now, we can say we are already in the bull market, right? The markets are doing so well. Okay, good. So let's start. Because can we start the PPT? So 262 people who are visiting for the first time. My name is Shailesh Sharaf. I'm the managing director of our company Dynamic Equities and founder of Value Stocks app and the Value Stocks website. That's a brand name, Value Stocks, right? So we have built this app for the convenience of many investors and taking them through a journey of the right stock selection system and what are we supposed to be aware of when we buy any stocks. And we'll also show some good stocks which are doing well even after June quarterly results. We are basically a fundamental data analyst. We use a lot of factors, smart beta, algorithms, predictive tools. Okay, so what is a predictive tool? So let's see the website. Let's see the PPT. Because can we have the PPT of predictive tool? Vikash, are you there?
Yes, showing.
My website is Value Stocks, Mr. Sarvana Kumar. Valuestocks.in. Is my voice clear? Hemant Goli cannot, Gohil cannot listen. Is my voice clear? Yeah. Hemantji, please check. Its problem is with you because we do webinars every day. So the volume is pretty good. So please check your website, your connections. Okay. So there is a Albert Einstein used to say, because we can't see Albert Einstein properly. Please take a proper one. So if you want to know the future, look at the past. That is by Albert Einstein. Okay. So basically, what is the data which gives us an accurate information about the future, right? Like we know past performance is not a guarantee of future performance, but is there a fundamental data which gives us a better look at the future, which predicts a fundamental data which predicts that if the stock market goes up, if that has data, it will go up. And if the stock market falls, the market will fall less. So if you know which is the important data which can predict the future. So what we do, we are masters in doing predictive analytics. What is a predictive analytic? It is the use of certain data, which I will show you, and which is the most important 4 or 5 data. If you use them in statistical algorithms, machine learning techniques, if you use those data properly, in a proper way, you can actually identify a right outcome. Okay, the goal is to beyond knowing what has happened to providing a best assessment. Okay, what is the meaning of best assessment is that there are certain data which does well in future. Okay, so basically what we want to understand is that what is the data which gives us solid stocks? What is the fundamentals of solid stocks? So again, I request you, I know there are people like Nehal and people who love me and who are my customers. They always join my free webinar and you know the answers, right? See, the purpose is that we have to spread this knowledge to as much people, right? So Bhavinbhai, have you done my classes before? So if you've done my classes before and if you know the answers, please don't answer in the chat box. Okay, ROE. Okay, so how did you know about ROE, Bhavinbhai? How do you know ROE is the predictive analytic data which predicts the best stock prices in future? Okay, so anybody else? Satish Kumar ji saying is CAGR. Okay. CAGR is a bit. CAGR of what, Mr. Satish Kumar? So Suyash is asking what is ROE. Okay. It's return on equity. Vikash Mahavar. Okay. Ashish Pal. I think so. You've done my courses before. DN Tripathi will say PE, ROC, MF Holdings, EPS, ROE along with ROC, return on equity, FCF. People who have seen my videos or who know me, please, if you know it, then please don't answer on the chat box. It's not fair, right? It's not fair. If you know the answers, then you're just not being honest. So I'm getting a lot of answers, correct answers today. Huh? I'm getting a lot of correct answers today. So I think so you've either seen my reform in equity. It's not reform, it's return on equity. So yeah. Consistent profit, debt equity ratio, EPS growth, sales and profit growth. Wow. Fantastic. Fantastic. Intrinsic value, P. Please आवाज थोड़ा बढ़ाइए. Sir, आपको मेरा is my voice clear? I'm talking quite clearly. Vikash, is my voice clear?
Clear, sir, clear.
You have to have a good mic or a good speaker in your system, sir. Right. So people who don't have proper systems, you have to use a bigger. We are doing this every day, and everybody's see many people are writing. You have to use a good speaker or a good internet connection, sir. Very much loud and clear. Thank you, Vivek ji. Thank you, Stanley ji. Right. So I'm seeing that a lot of people are answering the right questions today. I'm very, very happy. So we have 332 people. Because are you on Facebook Live right now? I can't see. Yeah, live on Facebook.
Yes, yes.
Yes, okay. Very good. So basically what we are trying to showcase here is a very important parameter of stock election system. Okay, so let's now study and understand that why ROE is very, very important. Why ROE is an important predictive tool which predicts, see, what is the tool you need? You need a tool कि अगर कल बाजार बढ़े, if the market goes up, our share prices should go up. But you should also have a tool that if the market goes down, our stock should fall the least. That is the right fundamental parameter, right? So one of the fundamental parameters is like if the ROE is good, even if the stock market is down you will see that these stocks fall the least, correct? And if the ROE goes up, the stock goes up. So we will show that how great investors use ROE, because this is very important as a concept, because many investors, I could only see 10, 15, 16 people answering the question whom they've answered right. But there are 337 people. Please understand in a stock selection system, why ROE is important. Please understand that concept. Okay. So please, ROE, sir, is return on equity. We can just show them what is return on equity. Just show how return on equity is calculated.
Yeah.
I'll show you how return on equity is calculated, and then I'll show you the importance that all the great investors use ROE. So Sumitji, if you just go to Google and study ROE, it's very easy to study ROE very easily. At least 3 years, Vikash. This is my observation. At least 3 years ROE. At least 3 years. I think so. 3 years ROE and growth in ROE is fantastic. No, don't consider consolidated, not important. So this is how ROE is calculated. Annual net profit divided by shareholders fund. And what is a shareholders fund? Shareholders fund is total net worth of the company. That is nothing but total equity capital plus reserves. So the total capital invested in the company divided by the net profit is ROE. That is the most important part of the system. Okay, so let's see some good videos by great investors, which will tell you why everybody should ROE. Who's the greatest investor in the world? Everybody knows, right? Everybody knows the greatest investor is Mr. Warren Buffett. So let's hear from Warren Buffett directly.
OID. The returns on equity in most areas of Japanese business, returns on equity are very low, and it's extremely difficult to get rich by being the owner of a business that earns a low return on equity. We always look at what a business does in terms of what it earns on capital. We want to be in good businesses. What we really want to be is in businesses that are going, and we want to buy them at a reasonable price. But many years ago, we gave up what I've labeled the cigar butt approach to investing, which is where you try and find a really kind of pathetic company, but it sells so cheap that you think there's one good. We used to pick up a lot of soggy cigar butts. I mean, I had a portfolio full of them, and there were free puffs in them. I mean, I made money out of that, but A, it doesn't work with big money anyway, and B, we don't find many cigar butts around that we would be attracted to. But those are the companies that had low returns on equity. And if you have a business that's earning 5 or 6% on equity, and you hold it for a long time, you are not going to do well in investing, even if you buy it cheap to start with. Time is the enemy of the poor business, and it's the friend of the great business. I mean, if you have a business that's earning 20 or 25% on equity, and it does that for a long time, time is your friend. But time is your enemy if you have your money in a low return business, and you may be lucky enough to pick the exact moment when it gets taken over by someone else. But we like to think when we buy a stock, we're going to own it for a very long time, and therefore we have to stay away from businesses that have low returns on equity. Charlie?
Yeah, it's
Okay, so basically one of the principles of investments is return on equity. So whenever you invest, and many people don't know what is return on equity, it is available on our app very, very easily, or our website valuestocks.com. So once you understand that return on equity is a very important principle, it gives, because the total capital, right? So अगर मैंने अपने business में machines खरीदा है, assets खरीदे हैं, furniture खरीदा है, सबका total asset company का क्या है? What is the capital which we have put and the reserves? So the total capital, if it is 100 crores, the company should earn 20-25%, and that is after tax. That means we are able to generate that kind of company. And there are very few companies like that in India. And usually investors don't invest in these companies. And this is the company where we should invest, and we should learn that if you do investment in these companies, our investments will be better. And these companies tend to fall even less when the market goes down. Okay, so this is one information. It is also similar. Okay, ROE and ROC is pretty similar. So why we are sharing this information again and again? Most of our strategies which we have developed in algorithms, it is based on return on equity. If you see companies which is increasing rate of equity, those companies are giving very high kind of returns. Okay, so now we will show you another video from Ramdev Agarwal ji, because they are all brilliant people. They understand the truth. And investors don't follow the fund manager's mindset. They follow their own mindset. And please, again, people who are looking for day trading, people who are looking for short-term trading, this is not the right platform, sir, for you. If 356 people, if you have come to learn day trading, or you have come to learn, we don't teach that. We teach very solid fundamental stocks, जिसको लीजिए, you hold it for a minimum period of 1 year, you check the results, and if the return on equity is good, you keep on holding that share. So people say buy and hold, but buy and hold which stock? Which stock? Okay, so the stock which has a very high rate of return on equity. Okay, so we'll answer that question, Naresh bhai. We'll answer that question. That's a good question on ITC. So return on equity is one principle. We'll show you 3-4 principles. So we'll answer that question, Naresh bhai. It's a good question. First, understand return on equity. Then we'll go to the other parameter. There is not one parameter. There are 4 parameters which we will share. Once you do the 4 parameters and obviously the valuation, then you understand the stock selection system. Once you understand the stock selection system, because people use different parameters to buy, I am giving you a stock selection system by the greatest investors in the country. So if you start thinking like them, okay, but obviously this, again I'm repeating, sir, if 364 people are here for day trading, swing trading, they want technical analysis, we will not teach that. We are a very solid fundamental analyst company, give you some solid training on the main 4-5 parameters, how great people buy the stocks and hold it for 1 to 3 to 5 years. If you are interested in that, then this will be the best seminar of your life. If you are looking to if you're here to invest in short-term investments, we don't teach that, sir. So I just want to be clear that you are a short-term player. We believe in sleep and grow rich. Okay, so we'll give you first the parameter. Then how do you use the parameter so that you can buy the right strategy, the right stocks, okay, which is following those parameters, and then invest your money in those parameters. So when you invest your money in those parameters, then there is a likelihood that you will get sustainable, easy returns. Right? So let's see another video to emphasize the importance of ROE. Okay, he says that any company, quality company, because we all want to invest in quality stocks. Now the problem is in the bull market, now rubbish stocks are going up. So I'm warning people, it is my warning to all the 371 viewers here. Right now, all pathetic stocks, the prices are going up. So please be careful. We are teaching you to select, because this is the bull market, right? In the bull market, invest, and right now the markets are high, the P is high, valuations are high. But if you invest in a good stock, even if the market corrects, so next time when the market will go up, your stock will go up. But if you end up buying a pathetic stock, which you said, Mr. Warren Buffett says, if you buy a pathetic stock which has low return on equity of 5 to 6%, you will be crazy. Vikash, can you show some pathetic stocks where the prices have increased in the last 6 months and the return on equity is below 6?
Yes.
Above 500. Above 500.
Okay.
But they have increased by 100% and they are pathetic stocks. And all the investors are buying those stocks right now. Please be careful. Please don't invest in bad stocks, sir. Invest in good stocks. I'll show you above 500, Vikash.
Yeah.
Above 500, the prices have increased in the last 3 months by 100% and the return on equity is very low. So let's warn them, if they're in these stocks and the prices have increased, they will lose a lot of money. It's high time that they should book these stocks and get out.
All Nifty 500.
You can do this on my website, on my app. You have to become a paid customer. Don't select Nifty 500. I said not to select Nifty 500.
Not to select Nifty 500. Okay.
The kachara stocks I'm talking of. All the stocks of the market.
Okay, let me do with the Excel.
Return on equity is, please see the prices have increased by more than 100% last 3 months and the return on equity is just 5-6%.
Yeah. Meanwhile, I'm playing Ramdev Agarwal video. I'm just getting it ready.
So let's see another video. Is making it ready for you. Let's see another video that why ROE is important. Okay. So let's see some good stock, good trended. Why ROE gives you quality, sir. Please invest in quality stocks. अभी बहुत बाजार बढ़ रहा है and I'm warning everybody. There are certain very pathetic stocks जिसका दाम बढ़ रहा है. Please be careful. बहुत बड़ा loss होने वाला है सब लोग. Okay, quality stocks में आइए. which stocks to invest in bull market. Bull market में घटिया stock में invest नहीं करना चाहिए, क्योंकि once the market will correct, you will lose a lot of money, my friends. Okay, so I'll give you all the bad stock which has risen very, very highly, but they are not good stocks. And why they're not good stocks, we'll show you also. Okay, let's see the video that why, how quality is very important. Okay, तो जो भी stock अभी ले रहे हैं उसका ROE check कर लीजिए. It gives you quality. So please listen to another video. Please listen to another video.
Yes.
Then you're home. So how do you define quality, and what are the parameters that you
This is one subject of quality which everybody knows what is quality, what is not quality commonsensically. Yet there is no defined way to say that this is one way to see the quality. But I mean, there are 5-6 ways one looks at it depending on the company which you are looking at right now. But one common filter which comes to my mind to start with is about the return on equity or productivity of the capital, and for how long the productivity of capital is high, and is it a company which has a sustainable business and a business which has a high productivity of assets or capital. You can say you have 1,000 crore worth of asset. Some businesses, they barely earn, say, 100 crores. That's about 10%. And some business, year after year, they earn 250 or 300 crores, 25-30%. That's where the quality story starts. And understanding quality, again, has a two dimension. One, are you looking at old company, something which is running for 10-20 years? Or are you looking at a company which is a brand new company, which is just 3, 4, 5 years old or 7 years old, first time they are making profit? So if you looking at old company, I mean, most of the time, 90% time you're looking at old company with track record of 10, 15, 20 years, you get nice, ratios where you can figure out right from now I'm really remembering the process, how I go about it. I go to my ratio. I mean, once I see that companies of reasonable size making 10, 20 crores, then I go to straight ratios. Because when you're doing ratios, you typically don't see the absolute number. So when you look at the ratio, the first ratio I see is what has been the recent track record of 10 years of the return on equity. And if turns out to be more like a 20, 22%, 23% year after year, with no break, below 15%, the consistently, if it is making 18, 20, 25, 30 or even more, that's the kind of thing which brings the quality story on. Because one of the belief is that businesses are capital input output machine. Irrespective of name of the business, businesses are capital input output machine. And if your risk-free rate is about 8 to 10%, then significantly higher return on capital or assets is a sign that there's some magic on in that particular company. What is that magic? We don't know, but the numbers are telling me that they're able to earn a lot more on the capital employed than the normally what a business should be earning. So that is a first starting point of quality company. Then you look at the.
So basically वो 10 साल देखते हैं, but I would recommend at least आप minimum 3 साल देखिए. अगर company can maintain a ROE above 20 or 15 for 3 years regularly, those companies become very safe for investment. Please don't see ROE only for 1 year. Please see ROE for minimum 3 years. This is my recommendation. Okay. So Balwan Singh ji will be showing you all the 4 parameters. Just be patient. Huh? One एक करके दिखाएंगे ना बलवन जी. So first एक parameter दिखा रहे हैं, फिर 3 और दिखाएंगे. आपको मैं चारों बता दूंगा. थोड़ा सा patience रखिए. धीरे-धीरे बताएंगे. Okay. So please understand that when you're investing in those companies, it is very important. Now I'll show you companies where the prices have really gone up, Vikash. More than 50% का prices ले लीजिए. Highest ले लीजिए, highest से लगा दीजिए. 3 months return, yeah.
And those are not in top 500.
Yeah, obviously. And ROE is less than
ROE is less than how much?
5 कर दीजिए एक बार. दोनों साल 5 के नीचे ROE.
Well, 2 years.
हाँ 2 साल. और दाम अभी बढ़ गया कितना? 460%.
Yeah.
देखिए सर, ये रतन इंडिया इंफ्रा, एनीबॉडी इन्वेस्टेड इन दिस कंपनी? Okay, so just be careful sir, because these companies are really rising. 3 महीना में 450% बढ़ गया, but ROE नहीं है सर कंपनी में. Then Norman T, Mass Investment, Zelport Design, Euro Multivision, CG Power, Ramco, जयप्रकाश पावर, न्यूलैंड लैब, मतलब ये सब देख रहे हैं सर, ये सब कंपनीज. So please be very careful with these companies, because their performances and ROE is very, very bad. Are these companies also making money? Profit में तो है क्या कम से कम? माइनस है ROE से, लॉसेस है कंपनी में, और कंपनी का दाम 460% बढ़ गया. So these are certain companies where now people are doing a lot of investments. So please be very careful. Yeah, so be very careful, you know. You see the ROE, this loss making company 250% बढ़ गया है. So be very careful, extremely be careful of these companies, sir. Mr. Firoz Khan, yes, BP, thank you. Anybody invested in these companies और नीचे आ जाओ. I also want to aware, because ये companies के दाम बहुत बढ़ गए हैं. 10 के नीचे कर दो विकास, 10 के नीचे कर दो. और दोनों साल ले लिया ना?
हाँ.
हाईएस्ट से कर दो. So in the bull market, don't invest in these shares, sir. Okay? So please understand these. वही list आया क्या? Ratiye, Infra, Norman T. So these companies, the ROE is not there and the prices are increasing through the roof. Okay? Vodafone is a big company at least. At least it has a business, Mr. Shravan. There are companies, अगर आप market cap देखेंगे, there are companies are all small cap companies अगर आप देखेंगे. Okay, so you're very lucky, Kishore ji, कि you have invested in companies. But if I'm just want to show you, these are all small companies where the prices have drastically increased in the last 3 months. Okay, please scroll down, go down. Ajinkya wants to see, go down. So prices are really going up. Be very careful if you have invested. Anybody else invested in these companies? Those are good companies, Shabuddin. You know, they are great companies, ITC, SBI Life. First, I'm talking of in the bull market, what not to do. Because ये सब share इतने बढ़ गए हैं, many investors are buying these stocks. So my job to 400 investors who at least that they don't invest in these stocks. Okay, you can do my app, Suraj. So, okay. Anybody invested in these stocks? What about Transfood Rise by, what is the company's name? Yes, Neela Spaces, but exited at, yeah, please exit, Anita ji. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Is my voice clear? Some people are saying my voice is not clear. Is my voice clear, friends?
Yes.
Yeah, please exit, Shivanand ji. Please exit. Please be careful, because जब बाजार नीचे जाएगा, ये सब शेयर 50, 60, 70% घट जाएगी 10 दिन में. In 10 days, these stocks will go down by 70, 80%. So I'm showing you all the companies which has risen, but the ROE is very, very low. Okay, these are all the small cap companies. These are all penny stocks only for me, ना? देखिए ना, 29 करोड़ का कंपनी है, आधा तो penny stocks भी है इसमें. Yeah, so please exit, Mr. Praful Agarwal. Yes, thank you. This is what I wanted to show. These are all exit calls. Because no ROE, हालत बहुत खराब है सब कंपनीज की, सब छोटे-छोटे कंपनीज हैं. Yes, thank you. देखिए कितने लोग इन्वेस्ट करके रखे हैं. So in the bull market, you don't get into these stocks because जब बाजार गिरेगा लोग सामान नहीं पाएंगे. They will not be. You will lose a lot of money, friends. That is, I wanted to show you. You will lose a lot of money if you are invested in these stocks. Yeah, many are having zero sales. That's correct, Anita ji. Many have don't sales. कोई profit नहीं है, company नहीं है, बस दाम बढ़ाए जा रहा है. किसी की sales नहीं है, कोई loss में है, किसी का ROE अच्छा नहीं है. So very dangerous company, sir. Okay, so please. So these are, you be very careful, Vivek ji. इसीलिए मैं बता रहा हूँ, follow the great mindset. ये कंपनीज में ROC नहीं है, because this is what they do ना, यही तो चलाते हैं, जो लोग चलाते हैं ना, मिस्टर CP, ऐसे ही तो दाम बढ़ाते हैं, and then they हम लोग को बेवकूफ बना के हम लोग से खरीदवा लेते हैं. Yes, Satish Kumar ji. Yesterday I heard an article, some company increase. Yes. Okay, so please be very careful with these stocks. These stocks you should please definitely. अभी थोड़ा समझदारी का टाइम है sir. Please be very careful. What filters we have used? Filter the companies which is less than 10 ROE, and the prices have increased drastically in the last 3 months. सर 460% बढ़ गया सर ये सब कंपनीज के दाम. एंड ROE नहीं है, कंपनी की हालत खराब हो रही है, मार्केट कैप 14. सर ये सब कंपनीज में बहुत प्रॉब्लम आने वाली है. You got a call of JP Power. I had put a bid Mangalam Drugs Friday and did not get. Now I can see. Invested in Subex. How much minimum? At least अभी तो बाजार में कम से कम 15 के ऊपर या 20 के ऊपर ही ROE रखिए मिस्टर गीत पुजारी. एंड कम से कम 2 या 3 साल का ROE 15 या 20 के ऊपर होना चाहिए. Okay, those are good companies, sir. We are talking of companies which is less than 1,500, 2,000 crore market cap, and this is where all the people get trapped. So I've given the list. So this is what you will not do in the stock market. Okay, the prices are drastically increasing, and all these prices will go down by 80-90% in the next 2-3 months when the market goes down. Okay, so please be very careful. Yeah, daily uphill circuit, फिर daily down circuit लगेगा माधव जी. CG Power daily upper circuit, but daily down circuit. Okay, good. So let's now come to the right investment strategies which the great people understand. Okay, so what is the second most important parameter? How do you know that this company has quality? After ROE, what is the second company which has good quality? What is the second most important parameter? Good. Sadashiv ji, cash flow, very good. Debt equity, good. So the second most important parameter for a quality company, sir. All the investors here, please, मैं हाथ जोड़ के विनती करता हूँ. I'm showing you video proving you that what is the second most important criteria for a quality company. Okay, so I'll show you the video of Ramdev Agarwal where he says cash flow is very, very important. Okay, so let's see. Let's see the cash flow. Let's see what. Let's see. I'm showing you videos of the most intelligent people in the country. So please learn from them. They are there to guide us. They tell us, but we don't listen. So we have to re-emphasize their teachings. They are not multi.
Look at the that is the first ratio. Then you look at the terms of trade. You know, immediately I go to the terms of trade. If the company is making money, then are they able to collect their money, collect their dues? Like if you are giving, I mean, you'll find very few companies with less than 30 days debtors level. So what happens is, if you do business, you make the things in 30, 40 days, 50 days, depending on what you're making, and you are giving it to a customer or dealer or distributor, and you are not able to collect the money. Or are you able to collect the money in 10 days, 15 days, or on a spot? There are 2-3 types of business. One, you collect it after 30 days. Other, you collect it on cash. And there are some businesses where actually you collect it before time. That is in advance. That shows the strength of your business. So we are not only earning 20% or 25%, you are also able to collect the entire profit well on time. That gives you cash flow. And so once you have the high ROE and very good terms of trade with your buyer of the products or services, that kind of starts my intuition about what exactly is this company and how good they are designed, and then you get into trying to understand the.
So second thing is cash flow. क्या होता है अगर sales कर रहे हैं? Some people are sales but वो पैसा आ रहा है 1 साल बाद. What is the point of doing cash flow? Sales. Sales is good when you can collect the money in advance, right? So that is the right sales. You take the money and then you do it. So that is the right sales. That is called cash flow. Okay, so very, very important to check companies which has good cash flow. So if you invest in those companies, automatically you will come to quality companies, automatically. Okay, ROCE, not IOC, ROCE and ROE and cash flow. How many know about Nilesh Shah? Have you known Nilesh Shah? We have 403 people. Do you know about Nilesh Shah? Sure. I'll show you. He also sees these two things. Listen to him. थोड़ा पहले करके दिखा देना, 10 सेकंड पहले. Yes, very good. Please see what he sees. So follow the great people. जो लोग करते हैं वो हमको करने दीजिए. We are safer if we follow certain principles. Yes, we can. It's all there on YouTube, Vishalji.
To InvIT or REIT. The first InvIT which came out has given a disastrous experience to investors. It was worth avoiding with the benefit of hindsight. On the other hand, many subsequent InvITs and REITs have created tremendous value for investors. So don't invest for the sake of investing for novelty value. Invest based on your research. Buy what is cheap, sell what is expensive.
All right, Nilesh, we just have under 2 minutes left, and now there's a rapid fire coming your way, so you have to quickly answer whatever comes to your mind. Couple of questions. Here's the first one. What would you say has been your biggest lesson in the stock market?
Buy quality, quality, and quality.
Okay, the most important filter, Nilesh, while selecting a stock?
Governance, governance, governance.
Okay, a key ratio, any financial metric that is your go-to ratio while you're selecting a company?
Company should earn more than the cost of capital reflected in return on capital employed, and it should generate free cash flow.
Sir, same principle. Yes, there is a difference, Rakesh ji. You have to do my 5-day program to understand the difference. So again, what should be the number of cash flow while applying? Arey, jab plus bhi ho to chalega, Praful ji. Okay, so first is ROE and free cash flow. Very, very important principle. If you know these principles, then you come to quality companies. You come to quality companies. Okay, now I'll show you my app. So if you become my customer, सबसे पहले आपको ये मालूम पड़ जाएगा जितने पैथेटिक कंपनी हैं उसको मैं सेल में डालता हूं. मैं 1580 कंपनी को सबको बाय सेल में डाल दिया हूं. Okay, so I am using a lot of things where I tell people that at least don't invest in these companies. So people save a lot of money that this is an unquality company, and investors become safer. कि भैया कम से कम ऐप पे मैं देख लेता हूँ. Anybody is telling, my friend is telling me to buy a stock, the TV is telling me to buy a stock, newspaper is telling me, let me check the fundamentals, let me check the ROE. So it is easily available. मैंने I have made 1580 stocks का पूरा NSE में जितने स्टॉक है उसका सेल दे दिए. There in my category there are 900 companies which is sell. 900 companies, friends, in the app. Those companies you should never invest. अभी सबके दाम बढ़े हुए हैं, मैं बता रहा हूं. Please remember, these are the companies जो सबसे ज्यादा गिरेंगे. और जब गिरेंगे फिर आप बोले अरे मेरा को तो स्टॉक मार्केट एकदम खराब जगह है. Stock market is not a good place. I lost all my money. Because you lost your money because you invested in a wrong stock. Yes, we have put Maruti in sell because the profit, they are now gone into losses. So I'm selling Maruti right now. I don't want to come in a company which is this. Right, Kishorji? So that is why my app will tell you why it is a sell. My app shows it is a quality stock or not. So quality stocks have two parameters. If you don't even want to buy my app, it's fine. At least use this common sense. Because right now, if you don't listen to this, you will lose a lot of money because correction may come 1 mahina, 2 mahina, 3 mahina, and investors are pouncing in the market. Pathetic shares are going up by 200-300%, and customers are putting their money. And within 7-8 days, or sub 50-60% gil jaye. Okay, so please be very, very careful on these stuff. No, there is no turnaround system. Mr. Yogesh Bist, I will show you turnaround system. Even the system is not important. Now, another important principle is don't invest in company which takes debt. जो debt लेके रखे हुए हैं, please don't invest in the company. Okay, so please don't invest in a company which is taking a lot of debt. I'll show you, Mr. Again, what is the company's name of Warren Buffett? Who can tell me? Customers who are with me, please don't answer. I want people who are joining for the first time, please answer. Who knows Berkshire Hathaway? Thank you, Purnima. So I'll take you to Berkshire Hathaway website. See, online I'm taking you. You can go yourself. Thank you all. Many people know. I'll take you to Berkshire Hathaway. Quality stock, quality stock, quality stock, friends. अगर बाजार गिरेगा भी तो ज्यादा लॉस नहीं होना चाहिए. Yes, sometimes Devanshu, yes, that is a time. Story खत्म हो गया, अब exit करिए. That's correct, Devanshu. Any ROE अगर घट जाता है, एक बार exit time आ गया. So when these parameters are good, keep on holding. When those parameters become bad, Devanshu, you should exit. Okay, I'll show you. See this. Yes, so then you should exit those stocks. That is why I'm exiting iShares and Maruti right now. I don't want to be in those stocks presently. Because it's a new normal. Now new companies will come up where COVID is not affecting, and I'll show you those good stocks, friends. I'll give you the list. I'll give you the list of 50 bonus good stocks also today. And you check, it has quality. First, I'm showing you that if I'm telling you these stocks are good, what is the basis? नहीं तो मैं भी तुम्हें टीवी की तरह हो जाऊंगा, ये स्टॉक ले लो. I don't want to give you, you can see everything on my app, Mayank, right? All 1580 stock research reports are available on my app. Buy, hold. आपको कहीं भी नहीं मिलेगा जो हर स्टॉक का आपको रिपोर्ट मिल रहा है. Buy, sold, hell. Yes, right now, yes, because of losses, COVID has affected iShares in a big way. Now see this, what I am showing you. Acquisition criteria, Berkshire Hathaway. Number 3, business earning good returns on equity. कम से कम 2 या 3 साल कंपनी में, उसी कंपनी में लेना है. Minimum 2 या 3 years, the ROE is above 15 and 20. Again, I'm giving you principles, friends. 3 साल का बैलेंस शीट देखिए, 3 years में 15 या 20 के ऊपर ROE हो. Okay, the debt equity ratio should not be more than 0.50. Debt equity ratio. Don't buy companies where there is a high debt. Very, very important, right? Number 2, the company should have earning power. That means the profit is growing. The profit of the company is growing. Number 1, large purchases means sales अच्छी होनी चाहिए, और that sales should convert into cash flow. free cash flow. Now, these are the important parameters when you buy a stock. So, but I don't know, sir, Mr. Bhavinji, somebody asked now, what are the 4 parameters? The 4 parameters or 5 parameters, I would say, of quality stock is 2 years, 3 years. It should be, you know, it should be, you can see my website, Vikashji. Okay. The ROE should be greater than 15 for 2 to 3 years continuously, or maybe minimum 2 to 3 years. Okay. 3 साल ही लीजिए. So quality stock, 3 साल ROE 20 के ऊपर maintain करना, that means those companies are fantastic. Okay. Number 2, company में cash flow होना चाहिए. Cash flow देखिए, sales growth देखिए कि sales हो रहा है और cash flow भी अच्छी है. That means sales होके पैसा वो जल्दी collect कर पा रहा है sales से. ये नहीं कि sales कर दिया लेकिन पैसा कंपनी में आ ही नहीं रही, वो sales का कोई फायदा नहीं. Okay. कंपनी का profit भी growth बढ़ रहा है. If you see these 4 principles, then the company is not taking any debt. Okay. So please understand, if you follow these 5 principles, then you come to the right stock. Okay, the buy and term means good free cash flow. So now I will show you in my website that you can come to the great companies very, very easily. Very, very easily. And we give you the details of all the companies in our website, 15 and 18. 900 are in sell, sir. My humble request is, please do not lose money. Please exit bad quality stocks. Whether you become my customer, because it is very painful to see customers losing money, sir. बहुत पेन होता है सर, मैं आपको बताऊं. एंड लोग क्योंकि सिंपल चीज फॉलो नहीं करते हैं, लालच एंड ग्रीड के कारण इन्वेस्ट कर देते हैं, विदाउट नॉलेज कभी कभी इन्वेस्ट कर देते हैं. दे इन्वेस्ट द मनी एंड देन दे फील. In my app, I'm showing you, Rajinder ji, how to see 0.30. So I'll show you in my app. This is free of cost. Anybody right now, you can go on my website right now. See long-term quality strategies. Click Vikash. Long-term quality strategies में देखिए ROE, ROC, free cash flow, debt equity ratio. इससे क्वालिटी मिलता है कंपनी का. So 2-3 साल का, you please check 2 to 3 years of ROE, ROC. Please check whether the company has free cash flow and check if the debt equity ratio is less than. देखिए मैंने नंबर भी दे दिया यहाँ पर. अब इससे मैं आपको इससे ज्यादा क्या खाना दूंगा सर. मैं आपको वीडियो दिखा दिया कि लोग भी यही फॉलो करते हैं. अगर आप ये सब कंपनीज में इन्वेस्ट करेंगे, अगर बाजार गिरेगा भी तो आपको कम नुकसान होगा. ये सब स्टॉक्स 10, 15, 20% ही करते हैं, but the other stocks will fall by 80-90%. Okay, so please follow. This is the L. This is on my first page on my website. You don't have to pay to see this. Okay, this is a very, very highlight. Yes, free cash flow greater than 0. Okay, then you. And you can actually take training. इसका भी training ले लीजिए 5 पैरामीटर अच्छे से. What is a quality stock? इसका भी मैं free training कराता हूँ 1-to-1, so that people don't make mistake. मैं बहुत मुश्किल से ये ऐप बनाया हूँ so that people can actually understand that what is the parameter of a quality stock, and we should not be investing in unquality stocks. Okay. No problem, Mr. Naresh, it will still continue. Right now the sales and slightly sales are down. The problem with ITC is थोड़ा sales कम है. जैसे उसका sales बढ़ेगा, वापस बढ़ जाएगा. And there was a change in leadership. You know, he died, the chairman. He was not well. Still it is going through a phase, but it's a great company. जैसे sales बढ़ेगा, ITC double हो जाएगा. Right? थोड़ा सा quality company में कम से कम loss नहीं है. Please understand, Mr. Naresh. It is not that your entire money will be wiped out in ITC. But in other companies, everything will be wiped out. So which is better? थोड़ा दाम नहीं बढ़ा, but the company is quality, right? But there is a good strategy. Yeah, that's clear. That's very good. Yes, we have a fund. We manage fund for our customers, and we sell different strategies. हम लोग पहले ही company को client को strategy बता देते हैं. Okay, let's understand now the strategy from our app. Forget about ITC. I'll give you better shares now, Mr. Shravan Kumar. So if you go to the stock screener, फर्स्ट ROE लेते हैं, लास्ट 3 साल में ROE 15 के ऊपर है. तो यहां पर आप 20 में ROE 15 के ऊपर है, 19 में ROE 15 के ऊपर है, ये ऊपर है, राइट? तो हमको 15 के ऊपर ही ROE चाहिए. 3 साल है 15 के ऊपर ROE, so that at least my quality is there. 3 years you can do in my app. Okay, now we will go to cash flow, and we will put money into company greater than 0 जो मैंने दिया है. कैश फ्लो पॉजिटिव होनी चाहिए. ओके, देन विल कम टू जून क्वार्टर रिजल्ट्स, जिसमें कोविड में भी कंपनी ने सेल्स घटा नहीं है. ओके, जून क्वार्टर रिजल्ट्स में द कंपनी हैज नॉट लॉस्ट इट्स सेल्स, सो दैट सेल्स होगा जब भी कैश फ्लो होगा. तो सेल्स इज रिलेटेड टू कैश फ्लो, EPS इज रिलेटेड टू ROE. So that is why cash flow and ROE is a greater ratio than sales. But उसको भी अब ऐड करिए साथ में, कि क्योंकि अभी हम जो ROE and cash flow ले रहे हैं वो मार्च का ले रहे हैं. But let's take जून का sales and जून का EPS. Just pay and get it, Satyaji. You can take a 1-hour training and you get it. That's it. So we just took this and let's see the companies. So we are getting about 41 companies, which according to me are super companies. And ये लोग कोविड के बाद अच्छे companies हैं. So please, sir, I am giving you a list of quality stocks. Invest in quality stocks, sir. You know, do it sector-wise, kar do, Vikash. Do it sector-wise so that they can understand sector-wise also.
Sector-wise only.
These are sector-wise only. So banks में obviously HDFC Bank best performing stock है. Okay. Consumer goods, fertilizer, chemicals, agrochemicals, maybe we have some very good stocks. Then financial, CDSL, ICICI Securities. They are best chosen. Financial services में अभी Muthoot Finance and Manappuram right now is undervalued, sir, also. And they are saying that gold will go up very highly. Right? If gold goes up to $4,000, these stocks will give you at least 200-300% return in the next 2-3. If gold goes up, Manappuram and Muthoot are undervalued today. Okay, if gold goes up, these stocks will go up by 200-300%. Very, very good stocks, sir. And you see how many, I'll just show you Muthoot Finance. So you can also see, click Muthoot Finance. See the stocks which I am training you. You know, the small investors have a tendency to buy. देखिए sir, सबसे पहले तो see, it has a 47,000 crores का market cap. That means it's a large cap company. Sometimes investors don't buy it. It is undervalued, sir. See the P. P देखिए इसका क्या है? सिर्फ 14 का P है. Anything below 15 is considered undervalued. इसका दाम अभी बढ़ा नहीं है. Last अगर आप देखेंगे go down, लास्ट 4 साल का रिटर्न देखिए. लास्ट 4 साल में ऑलरेडी 256% का रिटर्न दे दिया है. प्लस इट इज स्टिल अंडरवैल्यूड क्योंकि इतना प्रॉफिट बढ़ रहा है, इतना ग्रोथ कर रहा है. इफ गोल्ड गोस अप बाय डबल, these stocks are going to double up. It's going to give you 200-300% return. It is linked to gold, but ध्यान करिएगा. So you need to have a very sound knowledge of gold. Now if you go down, see how many mutual funds have invested in this company. इसका भी लिस्ट आपको मेरे ऐप पे मिल जाएगा. Go down. Just click this. देखिए. Click here to click which mutual funds have also. तो mutual fund में कौन कौन खरीद रखे वो भी मैं डेटा दे रहा हूँ. देखिए आपको दिखाएगा. ये भी आपको मेरे सब शेयर का 1580 शेयर का मिलेगा आपको. ये SBI Focus Equity Fund charge to 400. Sir, what about gold? Why there will be a gold scam, Mr. Vivek Joshi? Why do you think there will be a gold scam? Scam तो कहीं भी हो सकता है, sir. Muthoot Finance is very respected organization. Okay, so I don't think so. There will be any gold scam per se. Because if you see gold scam होगा तो SBI Focused Equity Fund 420 को 420 crore rupees लगा रखा है इसमें. Motilal Oswal has put 152 crore rupees in this share. L&T India Value Fund has put 151 crores. Tata Equity Fund has put 149 crore. DSP Mutual Fund has put 1. तो सर स्कैम तो कहीं भी हो सकता है, उसका कोई डर का कोई लिमिट नहीं है सर. But all these funds, अब इसका टोटल करेंगे, these are top 20 funds का मैं नाम दिया हूं, they have put 3-4,000 crore rupees का शेयर खरीद रखे हैं. Okay, so this is linked to dollar. The more dollar will rise, the more gold will, sorry, it is linked to gold. More gold will rise, more these stocks are doing very, very well. And these stocks are already doing very well since 5 years. Okay. Yes, that's correct, Mr. Devanshu. This has a very, very strong ROE, free cash flow company, very stable company. Scam, देखिए, I feel and so many investors have put so many mutual fund money. SBI Focus Equity Fund, Motilal has put 150 crore. So अगर वो 150 crore रुपया लगाया है, तो मैं भी तो 2-5 लाख रुपया तो लगा ही सकता हूँ. I'm not telling you to put all your money in this company. Have a portfolio of 20-30 stocks. We give one-to-one training. You take one-to-one training. First, buy the app to understand all the kachra stocks, pathetic stocks se nikal jaiye. Because I'm very getting scared because again investors will lose money. So please, I have said 900 stocks are pathetic and kachra. Please don't invest in those stocks. Okay? मेरे जो stocks हैं, जो मैं दिखा रहा हूं, उसमें आप देखिए quality क्या है. And we are following the quality. Yeah, we are giving you the list. Go to the list. See, I'll show you the list, Mr. Milan Shah. I've already showed that, Aditya. You can show in my app and stick out. Vikash, please go to the 42 stocks. Okay. Manappuram, Canfin, SBI Card is a great company doing well. Advanced Enzyme, Britannia, CCL Products, Kaveri Seed, BBTC, ICSL Lombard, SBI Life Insurance, Bajaj Finserv, Larsen Toubro Infotech, HCL Tech. Come down. Wipro, Mindtree, Tech Mahindra, Tata Elxsi, Oracle, Aarti Drugs, Divi's Lab, Abbott, Polymedicure, Ajanta Pharma, Aurobindo Pharma, Eris Life Science, Indian Affle, Security Intelligence Services. All these stocks have been selected after June quarterly results. In लोगों को COVID effect नहीं किया है. And they have 3 years of ROE. History है. So these stocks are very, very good right now. Okay. So these are some of the stocks which is still very good, and we have made certain strategies. जिसमें कौन से अच्छे stock है वो भी हम लोग देते हैं. Right? So we backtest the strategy and we show you some very, very good shares. No, these stocks have only done well. No, I'm showing you stocks which has good quality. Those quality will always increase. How to find the right time? That's good. So what we can do is, there is another parameter you can do in my app, where undervaluation and value valuation. Click undervaluation and value valuation. हाँ, वो हटा दिया क्या? You have to do it again now because you did not do it.
Yeah, sorry. I'll do it.
You just take NSE 500 and undervalued कर दो ना.
ROE and all.
ठीक है, वो तो ऑटोमेटिक आ जाएगा उसमें. Undervaluation, valuation, go to valuation ऊपर, बस हाँ. Click on here.
Weirdly also.
Yeah. So these are stocks जिसका दाम अभी इतना बढ़ा नहीं है. PE ठीक है मतलब. So there are about 48 stocks also. इसको पहले strong buys दिखा दूंगा. Just say the strong buys. Okay, so these are stocks जिसका इतना overvaluation नहीं है. HDFC Bank still is not overvalued, my friends. By the way. because the P is not very expensive because they're continuously, the earnings are growing. Yes, it is easy. Not 26, but 20% Charanjit is possible. Mr. Suresha, you have to first take a training, then it will be given. You take a one-to-one training and then you ask my person and then they'll give you the free recording. Okay. So these are some of the stocks. There are about 21 stocks, which is still not very expensive, my friend. They're not overvalued. Can you come down, Vikash? They're not overvalued, huh? All these stocks. These stocks are still very cheap. All for about 1 year, Anil Gandhiji. You have bought my strategy, Gandhiji, you know, so you don't need, just invest in my stocks, which I have recommended. This is more for the people, you know, at least they have quality system. At least they don't invest in unquality stocks. Okay. So what our recommendation is that you should take, first is everybody must be having a Demat account. Take out your Demat account. Okay. Do a one-to-one with my person. Take out the Demat and check how many stocks are sell. Is it a quality stock or a bad quality stock? Do you think we should do that or not do that for our Demat statement? How many stocks do you have in your Demat statement? Let me see. Please write down how many stocks you have in your Demat statement. Can you please write down, people? How many stocks do you have? 25. So Anita ji, do you think 20, 150 Arunji, 66, 40, 100 Nareshji, 20, 18. Oh my God. Don't you think you should know whether the stock is quality or not quality? 125 stocks, Manishji. So what I recommend is, we don't need the quantity or the amount. We just need the stock name. You just come to the one-to-one seminar because we cannot do online. It will take me years. So we have created a team to help you to know which stock is quality, which stock is pathetic. Okay. So please do that with your stock. Take out your Demat statement. You don't need to even send me. Come to one-to-one with my person on Zoom. We'll give you free, again free. And we will analyze this stock is bad, this stock is good. This stock is bad, this stock is good. Okay, my person will do it with you. What else do you want? Free of cost. Then if you like the app, you understand, then you buy it. If you think we have given you good service and we genuinely want you to invest in quality stocks, then you are interested, then you can buy the app. I'm obviously here to do business, friends. But first I want to give you value. You understand the value that this is one-to-one training is free, Maheshji. Okay, I will not be doing it. My team will be doing it. Okay, how many stocks are quality stocks in Nifty? Okay, I'll show you, Vishalji. Vishal, just show this in, you can do it in my app also, by the way. First, take the one-to-one training. It's about 1 hour, Rajendra ji. It's a 1 hour. Just take out, they will just go by your Demat. Okay, I'll show you Nifty, how many quality stocks are in Nifty right now. Just select Nifty and just say okay. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's it. And quality will come immediately. How many stocks are there? There are 12 quality stocks of Nifty, which I would recommend. Tech Mahindra, Cipla, Kotak Bank, HDFC, Bajaj Finserv, HCL, HDFC. Go down, Britannia, Wipro, Infosys, Nestle, HUL. These are the top quality stocks for Nifty. So 38 stocks I will not invest. I will invest, if I have to only invest in Nifty stocks, I will invest in these 12 companies. Okay, so this is the link to one-to-one training. If you are really serious, because, and if you want to check your Demat, you want to check your Demat statement, right? Some people are, but my person will go each stock and tell you through the app whether it's a buy or not a buy. He will train you. Okay, you can also see the sector in my app, which sector to best to invest in. So first learn the basics. What is a quality stock? Yes, it is, Mr. Nen, it is showing. Britannia Nestle is in top 50. Yes, it is in Nifty 50. If you are new, you want to learn, you can attend my 5-day training program. I have a 5-day training program starting from 1st of September. which I will be taking, where I'll be teaching you how to calculate ROE, how to calculate cash flow, how to calculate sales, how to calculate. I will teach you how to do valuation. Is the company expensive or not? How do you know it's a cheap company with good company which is cheaply priced? Okay, so my session starts from Monday, right? It's first because it's Monday, right? So you can fill up this form if you want to join my program.
Tuesday.
But this
It's
is a
Tuesday,
paid program
sir.
first.
Tuesday.
From Tuesday, it's a paid program from Tuesday. So if you're interested to do, you can fill up this form also. The form has been sent to you. But this is the paid program. But take the free thing first. First, try to build trust. How will you know that we are trustworthy? By experiencing the app, by seeing, by talking to what services we want to give. If we are giving such high quality services free, then can you imagine if you become a customer, what will you get? So do I have any customers who want to give a feedback? Any customers here who are paid customers? Sir, if you want to, we can put you on video and you can share a feedback. Anybody wants to share about our app? How many months are you using it? Anybody? Any customer, sir, you want to share? Any customer who is here? Yes, 5 days is sufficient. We have created a program, Anita ji. It's sufficient. Yes, I am using. Anil Kumar ji, are you interested to please share some feedback if you don't mind? Stanley Fernandez ji, can you put on video? Anil ji, Stanley Fernandez को डाल दो जब तक दोनों को वीडियो में डाल दो. The fees for my training is 7,500. But if you want to take a free one-to-one, it is free. If one-to-one is free with my person. I told you, Mr. Archana Josh, Miss Archana, that if you invest in quality stock, you don't have to worry about the market.
Yes, Stanley ji can speak.
Mr. Stanley, if
Hello, yeah. I'm online, yeah.
yes, can you share your feedback?
Yeah, I took this app about 2 weeks back, and already I realized that I have been wrong all this while. And whatever stocks I have been recommended, I have purchased about a couple of them. They are already in profits, okay, within 2 weeks. And I realized most important for me was when I went backward searching for all the stocks, I have about 50 of them. I realized I have been loaded with at least 50% of junk, absolute junk. And if I look at your back-tested thing, I found out that they were really junk for a long time. I did a mistake of going through so-called great business channels and using recommendations. And I've stopped looking at TV totally. I think your app is too simple. In fact, a lot of data which I would find difficult to find is crunched together in one easy to way. It takes 1 minute to find everything.
Thank you. Thank you.
That's
sir.
great. That's great.
Thank you, Stanley. Thank you for your feedback. Thank you so much. Have you attended my 5-day program, Stanley ji?
No, I will. I'm in talk with Deepayan.
So I'm doing from Tuesday, sir. You'll love it, sir. I'm telling you. We have done it very hard work. We'll show you the recording. We'll keep the recordings with you. You'll become a super investor after 5 days, sir.
Thank you, sir. But I think so far it's been good. The app has been, I'm learning the app one day at a time, and I'm using it every day.
Yeah, there is a lot of things in the app, sir. There is a lot of things. It will take, but it is very simple if you want to learn, sir.
Like even today, when you showed it, I learned something.
Okay.
It was new to me.
Thank you. Thank you, Stanley. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you for your feedback.
Thank you, sir.
Anybody else wants to share, sir? The price of the app, sir, forget what the price. Take a free training, BJG. Okay? Anybody else want to share?
Anil Kumar Gupta ji wants to say something.
Anil ji, you want to share something? Video?
Anil Kumar ji, you have to unmute yourself.
हेलो
Yes, Anil ji.
हाँ, आपका ऐप बहुत अच्छा है और सबसे बड़ी बात है ये ईमानदारी की बात करते हैं आप, चाहे आदमी कोई परचेज करे या न करे, वो मुझे अच्छा लगता है, ऑनेस्टली आते हैं, दैट्स ऑल।
हाँ सर, वो क्या है ना, झूठ बोल के कोई फायदा नहीं है सर, शॉर्ट टर्म चलने वाला है सर।
और मैंने आपको रूबरू देखा था दिल्ली में, मैंने आपका सेमिनार अटेंड किया था एक होटल में।
अच्छा।
आज से अक्टूबर नवंबर में के आसपास करीब। अच्छा। और पहले सितंबर अक्टूबर के आसपास।
अच्छा।
तब से मैं आपके टच में हूँ और आपका ऐप लिए 6 महीना हो गया है।
हाँ।
स्टॉक में इन्वेस्ट किया है तो ठीक ठाक अच्छा फायदा भी हो रहा है। थैंक यू।
थैंक यू अनिल जी। अच्छा, अपने को ज्यादा ग्रीडी नहीं बनना है सर, अच्छे स्टॉक में करें, बाजार भी गिरे तो अपने शांति से होल्ड कर पाए सर, यही इच्छा है। थैंक यू अनिल भाई, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच। So these are some of our esteemed customers. You know, I want to share feedback. Ashish Pal, can you put Ashish Pal? No, we don't teach any derivatives. You know, we share nifty derivatives in a small way, but it is mostly on fundamental. Anita ji, मैं फाटका कराना सिखाना ही नहीं चाहता हूँ। डे ट्रेडिंग फाटका क्या होता है मेरे को सिखाना ही नहीं है किसी इन्वेस्टर को। शांति से अच्छे स्टॉक में इन्वेस्ट करो और शांति से सो जाओ और 3 महीना में अच्छे से समझो क्या होता है। Amazing seminar APC. Can you put APC online?
Yeah, Ashish Palji online.
Yes, Ashish Palji.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon.
Yeah, I'm using Value Stop app from last 3 months.
Okay.
And to be very frank, I started investing in stock market 1 year back, and I was also having many stock which was not doing well from last 1 year. And so I basically, after taking your app, I reshuffle my portfolio. And whatever was your strong buy, I invested in all those stock from your app, and it is very fantastic. And from last 3 months, my all stock are doing very well. And thank you very much, sir, for all your expertise you are sharing with us. And the app is fantastic. It's worth taking your app, and definitely you will. Anybody is using this app, anybody is buying the strong buy recommendation on this app, he will definitely earn, and he will definitely get better returns compared to the other stocks. So definitely it's a worth investing in.
में रिटर्न ज्यादा नहीं मिलेगी, ये मैं आपको अश्योर करता हूँ। जब बाजार गिरेगा मेरे स्टॉक सबसे कम गिरेंगे।
Yes sir, definitely.
This is one thing, क्योंकि मार्केट का ऊपर चढ़ना मेरे हाथ में नहीं है, बट ऐसा स्टॉक में इन्वेस्ट करो कि when the market fall मेरे स्टॉक्स कम गिरे। अगर दूसरा स्टॉक 60-70% गिरेगा, मेरे स्टॉक 10-15% गिरेंगे एज अ पोर्टफोलियो।
अभी मुझे गिरने का एक्सपीरियंस तो मिला नहीं है सर।
हाँ, तो अभी तो आपको इतना डरना नहीं है, मैं अभी बता रहा हूँ सर। आप देखिएगा कंपैरिजनली कि कितने स्टॉक्स गिरेंगे, अपने क्या गिरेंगे।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Yes, Ms. APC ji, what is your name? If you want to come online.
Yeah, this is hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, Aditya here.
Aditya.
Shailesh ji, I attended your webinar, and I think that's one of my most valuable investments. I think not only did it allow me to learn, but it allowed me to save so much of time saved. After that, I've hardly watch much of TV and invest, and I used to spend a lot of time doing too much of research. I think a lot of research is being done already by you. Saves a lot of time. And I think the part of the seminar that's amazing is you have a lot of patience. You answer almost everybody's questions. I mean, you don't get tired of answering people's questions, however small or big they may be. And you share the strategies, you share the stocks. You're very transparent. Even if you don't pay for it, you share it at the end of the program, and you provide discounts for the strategies. But more importantly, I think it's your honesty, your transparency, and your genuine desire to, for investors to make money. I think that says it all. It was wonderful attending the program.
Thank you so much. That is a very nice feedback. I'm very grateful, sir. Please bless us that we continue to support. I think so the investor community really needs, it's very simple, sir. Our app is very simple. We've just made 4-5 parameters कोई हम लोग बहुत डिटेल स्टडी किए हैं, उसी से क्वालिटी मिल जाता है, उसी को सबको बताते हैं। And this is the same thing which is followed by the most intelligent investors. Fundamental investing is very easy. You do my program, 5 days you learn, it is very easy. I mean the app, you can just be very simple and you will save a lot of time.
Nimesh Javedi wants to speak. Nimesh.
Who wants to?
Nimesh.
Yes, Nimesh bhai, how are you?
Nimesh ji. He has also written on chat.
Thank you, Nimesh bhai. Your chat, I think so you cannot come on. You can read Mr. Nimesh Javedi. He has been following. So it is all about the right truth. अगर आपको right parameters मालूम है, you will make money. The right parameter is ROE, companies which does not have debt, which does not include good cash flow companies, and companies which can grow sales and grow profits. If you just invest in this system, you'll automatically come to very good quality stocks. ये पांचों चीज करने के लिए you'll find the management which is very intelligent, very innovative. This is fantastic way of identifying the stock. Okay, so this is the feedback which is given, sir. Since March, I've recommended at least 20 recommended stocks in my using this app, Magic app, and they are impressed with the outcome. It's very simple. We teach fundamental analysis, sir. We don't teach day trading. We don't teach companies जो आज बढ़ गया बाजार कल गिर जाएगा, इसका ये टेक्निकल एनालिसिस है, ये रेसिस्टेंस है, ये सपोर्ट है. You buy stocks from fundamentals, which are the most important parameters. You buy that on that basis and you'll do well. So my many people, sir, I'm asking how many stocks you have in your demat. Let's see how many stocks you have in your demat. 60. Vivek Joshi, please take one-to-one training. Take those 60 stocks. Mr. CP, Mr. Rajendra Mali, Vikas Gupta, Mr. Hariharan, Deepak ji. पहले वो स्टॉक देख लीजिए. मैं सबका रिसर्च पेपर क्रिएट कर दिया हूं. Whether those stocks are good or bad. 250 stocks, Adhikesh ji. Please see. Okay. So they will do free one-to-one with you. Free one-to-one will be done to you on these stocks, sir. It's a free. For my paid training, you come to me, I'll give you ये 5 चीज का मैं और detail analysis देने वाला हूँ. And सबसे important चीज है valuation सिखाऊंगा कि stock सस्ता है कि महंगा है. Only if, but you should know, na Kulvinder ji, whether those stocks are quality or not quality. How is it possible? Sir, we have sent you the link, Ananda ji. Please, I hope everybody has received an SMS. You just register for the one-to-one training to get my stock, which stocks to hold, which stocks to buy. "32 stocks, Nandish ji. Please see whether the stock is quality or not quality." Okay, I hope you've received an SMS, email, because we have sent an, there's a link here. You can link this. Super mind blowing. Thank you, Balranji. Simple strategy. Please follow the simple strategy. Ashok ji, please see the stocks. Yes, got mail. Please follow the stocks. First, आपका जो stock है उसका quality देख लीजिए. Okay? And then जो unquality stocks है उसको देख लीजिए. Stocks अच्छे नहीं है. And that will give you the confidence. Stocks which is good, stock which is bad. Just do that. That's the key element. Could you please send? They will give you, sir. If you take the one-to-one training, they will give you that list also. But didn't get confirmation email, or you will get it, Mr. You can rest it again, Ankat Takkar. Just so any questions people have, let me take some question answers from people. We have sent you the links. We have sent you the SMS. Other people, we have still have 296 people. Many have not read. How many stocks you have in your demat? If you want to, the one-to-one training is very good for people who have stocks in demat. If you don't have stocks in your demat, then you have to take the quality training. You have to come for a one-to-one training that what is the thing. Yes, improved RO is even better. What was the question? Yes, please ask questions on me. You can see in my app, Mr. Shamal Kumar, Markson Pharma, you don't one-to-one. My person will tell you buy, sell. Thank you, was registered. Your recommendation is strong, but to buy it is long time of getting. Thank you, Mr. Galaxy. Sir, I'm customer. I want to know how to apply. So please take one-to-one training. They will help you how to apply the filters. It's free. That's why sometimes people think that invest in stock, buy, sell point suggested. So that is technical analysis. First, आपको ये बताते हैं राजेंद्र जी कि कौन से स्टॉक अच्छे हैं जिसका दाम बढ़ेगा ही. What about to invest in equity SIP? Yes, you can do that. Just keep your portfolio ready, that's it, and discuss one-to-one, Mr. Droy. Stocks which are strong buy, can we when market down? Or can, yes, you can buy more. My strong buy stocks, you buy more when the market goes down. Yes. Yes, you can see the intrinsic value of all 1500 stocks. That's correct. Somebody asked me, you can see intrinsic value of all the 1500 stocks. You strong buy for at least 1 year, Mr. Vikas. Yes. Yes, you will get it. Entry, exit, support, resistance in one-to-one training. Sir, I can imagine I cannot answer all questions. 280 questions, how will I answer? That's why we have created, after this program, there is a one-to-one discussion. If you like, then you buy. If you don't like, you just take a good analysis of your DMAT and then it's fine. Mr. Puneet, one is question, one is ROE, free cash flow, debt to equity ratio, profit growth and sales growth. Actually, there are 5. There are 5. Usually you should have 15 to 25 stocks in your portfolio. 15 to 25, that's a good number. Some people have, how many people more? 270. How many stocks do you have in your DMAT? 40. Hariharanji, please see whether those 40 stocks are good to hold, why those stocks are bad. You please discuss, because these stocks must have done well right now. Bad stocks are also doing well right now. So it's good time to exit those stocks. Again, I repeat, bad stocks are doing well right now. Better to exit bad quality stocks. नहीं तो फिर गिर जाएगा, आपको बहुत बड़ी नुकसान हो जाएगी. Yes, Ashish Kumar Bose, please check. Hemant ji, 155 stocks. Please spend time. Ma'am, I think so. You need to spend probably 2 hours with my person. 155 को एनालाइज करा लीजिए. आपको कोई करके नहीं देगा हेमंत जी फ्री में. एंड क्वेश्चन करिए, स्टॉक अच्छा क्यों है, स्टॉक खराब क्यों है. So please, and any other questions? We have 275 people. Please ask questions. A question answer session. Please ask questions. Oh, Bapre. Gaurav Shah, please do the DMAT analysis of these stocks. They will also teach you sector analysis, Radhikesh Kumar. So you can learn that also. Provide parameters for batch stock. Okay, I'll show you, Aditya. It is on the front page. What is the parameter of batch stocks? I'll show you. That's a good question. I'll show you what are the parameters for batch stocks. We can show the exit one. Ankit, I think so. I've repeated. Price of your app is, sir, my person will tell you. First, see the value, Suprajit ji, then you buy. You don't need to. You just need to monitor once in a year or once in a quarter, Vikas ji. No, we don't teach much training. We only teach slightly nifty futures. It's 5,000 for a year if you want to buy the app. I'm giving you the rate, but that is not important. For see the value, whether it is worth 5,000 or not. IndiaMart, the P is not so high. IndiaMart, Intermesh, Manish ji. Yes, Suprajit, you take the training one-to-one, they can give you the free recording of the webinar. I'm answering all the questions which is coming here. Okay, what are the other questions? Mr. Joseph, first see the value. Payment se kya farak padta hai, sir? First see the value what we are creating for you. And then you get your DMAT and then you think of investing. Even if I tell you the price, that is not going to. First see the value or that what is the value we are giving you. I told you the parameters. She, Dhanya. I told you the 5 parameters. Your stocks will be checked on the 5 parameters. I told you the 5 parameters. I hope you joined. So all the 5 parameters, your stocks will be done. And they will tell you. So this is the parameter, Aditya, where you have to exit. It's on the first page. High debt, जो company बहुत loan लेती है, अपना share को pledge करता है, जिस company में turnover नहीं है, The company which has having a lot of quarterly losses, quarterly degrowth है sales उसमें. ओके फिर से दिखा दो यार, वो उन्होंने स्क्रीनशॉट नहीं लिया कचरे स्टॉक्स का. यू नो आप 1-to-1 ट्रेनिंग ले लीजिएगा सर, जो भी था वो आपको ऐप में सिखा देंगे कि व्हाट इज द पैथेटिक स्टॉक्स. He will show you. You take a 1-to-1 training, he will show in that stock. So question, please ask questions, sir. There are so many people. Many times quality stock prices don't move much. Yes, because you need to see the growth also. So just be patient. Sometimes quality stocks, if there is no growth in sales and profit, then it does not move. Okay. Let's see the other questions. 7 new messages. Yes, we also teach you what is valuation, that is shows in my training. In my 5-day training program, I teach you valuation and margin of safety. This is my biggest asset which I teach in my 5-day program. Okay, so those things are different learning. How do you assign? We teach that, Mr. We know how to do valuation parameters, Jaya Simha. We teach that, but that is a paid program because it is expensive, not expensive. My program is starting from Tuesday to Friday, from 4 to 7 every day, 3 hours, where I will teach you whether the stock is expensive or not. You can start with any, what is your amount? You can start with 3 to 5 lakhs, Ankit ji. Ankit Thakkar. Is quality stock is necessary? No, you don't need, in quality stocks, you don't need SL. Mr. Padmav. Tarunji, you have to take the training, and then he can give you the stocks. You take the training, understand, and then you tell him, they will send you the stocks. The system is that to identify multi-bagger stocks. Okay, more questions. Any example of good? There are still more people. Please ask questions. The question answer session is going on right now. So people, please ask questions. What is your question? No more questions people have? Some people are asking in Q&A. Mr. Askey, we have told you that multi-bagger stocks has those principles and it has a buy and hold principle. So multi-bagger has a lot of definitions. So if you follow these 5 principles and hold it for 3 to 5 years, that company becomes a multi-bagger. But people are short-term thinkers, so they sell the stock. So how to identify multi-baggers actually comes in my 5-day program where I give them detail. How much can I give in 1 hour, sir? You can imagine my constraint. Still, I'm giving you, try to give as much, Mr. Ragzi. Yes, Mr. Preetham ji, if you are in quality stocks, you can still invest. Mr. Hariharan, ROE and cash flow is management quality. Mr. Hariharan, ROE and cash flow gives management quality. Now it is not possible, Rahul. There is too much data. It is not possible anymore. You know, you can't fake a product. What is your opinion down? We catch up and markets will reverse so that we can increase allocations, or what is your... Abhi, right now everything is okay, Mr. APC. Right now everything is fine. Right now the markets are, there is no data which is showing sell right now. When it will show, then we'll talk. Yes, the map, if you take the 1-to-1 training, my person will give you. It is in my app only, all the pathetic stocks. Right now, the markets are all good, Mr. Vikashji. So because we invest in quality stocks, we're not scared of markets. We're not scared of markets. Example of quality stocks. I showed you good quality stocks. I gave you a list of 42. We teach you in that 5-day program. Valuation, whether it is expensive, it takes about 15 hours. I can't teach you in 1 hour. So there's a lot of calculation which we teach in my 5-day. It's a paid program. Yes, there is recording. That's correct, Satish Kumar. 5-day program, there is recording. That's correct. You can take Mr. Rajendra ji, because we are on a query question answer session. Rajendra Kambo. You can, once you take the one-to-one training, he will give you that list. No, there is no correlation, Bhavinji. Forget about P. First, focus on the 5 things. Then we'll talk about P. That is more important. First, understand what is the parameter of a quality stock. Can you use technical analysis? We don't need to. Technical analysis is for short-term trading. Fundamental analysis is for investments. So if you are doing if you are doing investments, you need fundamental analysis. Technical analysis is for short-term trading, not for fundamental analysis, not for investments. I don't believe our governor. Thank you. Please go to Ankit ji. Please go. Thank you very much. We are sending, please, I hope people are already signing in. If again, I'm asking 225 people, how many stocks you have in your demat? How many stocks you have in your demat? Yes, 1 month. That's correct, Shamula ji. So please see the stocks, Padmanav, Rahul Gupta, 0. So then it is not good value. Then you have to learn. If you have 0, that means you're a new investor. Then you have to take the 5-day training. Then give the conviction to invest in stocks if you have 0 holding. So 8 participants have raised hands. So please see whether those stocks are quality, because right now the market is high. तो अगर वो unquality stocks है उसको बेच दीजिए, because अभी फिर वो price नहीं मिलेगा, फिर गिर जाएगा and you will be into trouble. इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ. Unquality stocks if you have in your database and भाव भर चुकी है उसको बेच दीजिए. Good, very good. Thank you. First, invest in quality stocks, Satish Kumar ji, then we'll talk. The importance is the stock should have quality. You can take a one-to-one training. My person can show you TVS Motor. About 20 to 25 stocks is ideal. Can you please tell on ITC? I said it's a good stock, but right now the sales are affected. That is why it is not going up. Thank you, Vikas ji. Thank you. Yes Bank is a kachara stock. Sell it. Asian Paints is a fantastic stock. Yeah, so we don't do any technical analysis. We only do fundamentals. Because people want short-term money. That's why they want to short-term money. We are different. So they will explain you, Shashikanji. Sign for the one-to-one program, Shashikanji, and they will do it for you. Yes, Ashish Mal, it's a good stock. Engineer India is a good stock. But because it's a PSU, it's a slow movement. PSU stock का थोड़ा movement slow होता है. The stocks, the one-to-one trainings, how to predict the crash early by ourselves. I told you by looking at the Nifty data. So if you attend my 5-day, you would attend in a 5-day program. If you see the Nifty data, then you can predict. So Nandishi, you have to do my 5-day program. If you want to learn in depth, that's a paid program, 15-hour program. So if you sell the one-to-one, my person can make you understand what we will teach you in 5 days. Chiranjit, my person can, when you go to one-to-one, my person can answer those questions. So do you change your portfolio on quarterly basis? For some stocks, I change only on quarterly basis if the results are very bad, or only once in a year. Maximum twice a year in average. Sometimes I change any stock after if the results are bad. My app will tell you, Deepak Jaji. Can you do one webinar, 5-day training? We are doing one day. Yeah, you can join. It's a paid program, Vikas. Yes, you can join. How come market are then? Because there are certain stocks, Vijay ji, which are still doing fundamentally very good. उनको COVID से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा. Those stocks are still doing well in COVID. So those stocks are very good. We are doing question and answer, Aditya. You can exit if you want to. I'm just answering questions right now. Go good investment in this. That is why you can do one-to-one. A person can train you. How many people? 193. Yeah, Pidilite is a great stock, Shweta. Great stock. Okay, how many people are there who have Demat accounts and how many stocks are there? Yeah, whatever my app says, do that. So Aditya, yeah, I hope you have good stock. Vikasji, 18 shares good. So I hope you know whether these shares are quality or not. So check the quality of your stocks. I have 50 to 70. Please, whoever was 50 million, please take the one-to-one training and check the quality of stocks. You'll understand what is a good stock, what is a bad stock. Mr. Joseph, you really need to take one-to-one and get your 30 stocks checklist. Whether it's a fundamentally good or a bad stock. Very important, Joseph ji. So friends, I think so that people don't have any more questions. I think so. If you want to, we have 55 companies to hold, but all are strong. It's a good stock. It's a good stock, but because PSU thoda धीरे-धीरे move करेगा. Yes, but you should know which is a good stock. So when the market goes down, Surajit, then you can buy. You can buy. Kaplan Point, Vandana, there is mutual funds are not buying this stock. So be careful. So I don't want to invest in this stock because, you know, there are very less mutual fund in the stock. So that's why I'm being careful. Yes, a very good stock. Deepak Nitrite, very good stock. You take training from my people, Suprajit. You become a customer, then we do a lot of one-to-one from with my customers, then you can contact me. You please, Chiranju, please take my one-to-one training. They will tell you all the stocks which you have. I cannot do one-to-one for 200 people. You know, on this, I cannot show you one-to-one. That is why you have one-to-one with my people. Can we correct our stocks in portfolio? What do you mean correct your stocks? Please check the quality because markets are up, Andravadanji. Please check the quality. The sales have to increase of ITC. Once the sales increases, then only prices will increase. The sales are not increasing, right? The sales have to increase. Anybody else? How many stocks you have in your Demat? Please get a one-to-one, check the quality of your stocks. Whether those stocks are good. Again, I'm telling you, friend, 178 people are there. You have to, this is a good time to exit. Market बहुत अच्छा गया हुआ है. जितने खराब स्टॉक है उससे एग्जिट कर जाएगी. अशोक जी, प्लीज दिखवा लीजिए आपके स्टॉक्स क्या क्या हैं. प्लीज गेट इट चेक्ड. Mr. Uday Desai, you can get it done. You call up Pratik and he'll do it for you. Pratik, change Uday Desai ji from Nifty to anything. Every day it gets updated every day, Mr. जैसे आता है every day update होता है. Yes, hold and see what Padmanabh, my app tells you whether to buy, hold the stock. Right, my app tells you that. I told you a good stock don't turn crap in one day, Mr. Droy. Okay? If those quality are there, it stays for a long time. So when there is a degrowth, first time when you see a degrowth of sales and profit, that is the first indicator that the stock is in a bad situation. I don't think so. People have any more questions? You didn't tell about SpiceJet. And my people will tell you, Padmanabh. I cannot tell you here. You go to a one-to-one with my person. I cannot answer each questions. I have 170 people online. I can't answer individual questions. Sorry about it. You take one-to-one and my person will tell you everything from app. Okay, Mr. Chandran Nandu, please don't ask personal questions. Thank you. Yes, you can still enter into quality stocks. Mr. Minal Nanti, don't worry about correction. Invest in quality stocks. We can predict only after the Nifty data. So you can actually take a training. Once the Nifty data becomes minus, then only the market will tank. So Nifty data is not minus. It's a training. You take a 5-day program, we can train you when will the market crash. Yes, in this program, that's correct. We teach you how the market crashes indicators. So there are 162 people in the 5-day program, which is a paid program. I teach you what are the indicators of a market crash. So then you can predict the market will crash. It's a system. We train the people in that. So if you do the 5-day program, then you can do it. Any more questions people have? Any other further questions? We have 160 people. Any other questions people have, please? Gold is a very good investment. Yes, 5 days into 3 hours. That's correct, Shambhulaji. 7,500 for the full program, where valuation of stocks, which stocks to buy, valuation, market correction prediction. We all teach that in the 5-day. Yes, they will be recording Mr. AK for a month. Yes, we will teach you market correction strategies in the program. I think so, friend. Now it's time to exit. Thank you very much. There are 157 people. If you have more questions, please ask. We have the question answer session. You can please exit if you don't have any questions, or you can fill up the, how many people have DMAT? 148 people. Anybody has DMAT? Yes, recording will be provided, Rajesh. Disappointing returns. Who asked this question? मैं नहीं समझा क्या था question. ये ऊपर नहीं हो रहा. Wait, how many shares you have in your DMAT account, Nandesh ji? That's the question. So you have to find the timing, sir. We are booked completely, Mr. D. Bose. You have to find the timing in the 1-2 program and then come. We can't just give a program like this. Sorry for the training. You please fill up the form. There is a timing and we'll follow the timing, sir. Yes, we will try the right price. That's in the program. We will cover the right price also, Rajesh ji. We'll do that. Yes, Mr. Jayaprakash Joseph, please see which all those shares are good or not. So my person can take you free 1-to-1 and tell you. I didn't think so. Anybody has any questions? Well, no, lifetime, 1 month recording, Dipali, 1 month. It's not lifetime. We'll give you the recording for 1 month. It's 5,000 a year. But don't see the price, see the value, friends. See the value. No, there is no lifetime system, Puneet. There is no lifetime. $5,000, Anilji. Anil Surviji, 5,000, but don't see the cost. Cost is not going to help you. We can save a lot of money in your Demat account and understand the product. Because people are invested into highly wrong stocks. We have 101 people, sir. If you can exit, sir, please, we request you to exit if you don't have any questions, or fill up the form. Pratik, how many people have filled up the form as yet?
Just give me a minute, sir.
I don't think so. People have any more questions, so you can withdraw if you don't have any questions. Yeah, live. It is support and live. Yeah, so you do one-to-one, one-to-one, and they'll support you live in both. Yeah, correct. Whether the recommended stocks has given, yes, they will show you.
123.
That what is the risk ratio? Sanjay ji, very good question. They will show you the risk parameters also. You know, temporary when the market goes down, how much it falls and then how it recovered.
It's 123, sir.
Okay. Minimum 1 year, then it could go up to 3 to 5 years, Ganeshji also. So there are 84 people. If you're interested to take one-to-one training, understand the app, get to use the app free for 3 days. You use it, you get your Demat things done. So I think so we need to exit now. We have 84 people. If you have any more questions, please exit. If you have any questions, we are ready to help you. So please, fill up the form, Bharat Kumar ji, and then take a one-to-one. Please exit the program, sir, if you have no questions. Okay, thank you very much. I think so we need to exit now. It's already 2 hours now. Many people are not exiting and they're not even asking any questions. So finally, I'm asking if you have any questions, sir. Mr. Pratish, cost is 5,000 for a year, but the value is much, much more. It is in lakhs. The amount of simple knowledge, time-saving knowledge we are giving for quality stocks, you will not find anywhere. So don't focus on the cost. Focus on only those 5 things. Anybody, any final questions before we close? I have no question. Thank you. So you can exit, sir, if you have no questions. We have 53 people. Please exit if you have any more questions on the app. Some people are asking questions here. We don't do any general trading, Anandji. I said we use the ROE cash flow Anand Sagar. If you're there, I don't know. Yes, the app will be covered in the program. That's correct, Chandrasekaji. It will be covered in details. And you also get a 1 month access of the app free of cost with the program. We have 50 people, sir. If we can ask any questions or exit, please, so that we can exit, because we cannot leave until you leave. We have 50 people still. So, yes, we also do a lot of portfolio management services. There's a lot of difference. If you're interested, Prateek, can you contact Satish Kumar ji privately for portfolio management services? Prateek, contact Satish Kumar ji for portfolio management services. Prateek?
Yes, he will. Satish.
Okay, thank you, friends. I'm now disconnecting now. Thank you so much. Thank you.